everyone. So we've been looking at how to improve our sentences, and then I gave you some work on a short story. And as I said to you, this could work with any short story, but particularly we've been looking at one by Beverly Dunlop called Yellow Belly. So you've done some great work so far, but we're now going to go a little bit deeper into it. So what I'd like you to do is, now that we've read it and you've done some comprehension and vocabulary and writing exercises, I'm going to now get you to imagine that you are Yellow Belly. So I want you to write from his point of view, and I want you to write a paragraph at least about an event in that story. Now, before you submit it, you're going to do a self-review, and I've given you the success criteria here. Okay, so it's going to have in your paragraph, 1 or 2 paragraphs, you need to use that key sentence structure that we've been looking at, which is that participle phrase. Remember, that's that ing ending word. Okay, and we've looked at 3 ways it can be used. It can be used as an opening part of a sentence, as an interrupter to a sentence, and as a closer to a sentence. So I want to have one example from that. The other part of your success criteria is that you write with accurate punctuation. So you'll review that and give yourself 10 points or not. And of course, the final part is just, making sure those basics are there, that sentence begins with capitals and ends with full stops, and there's 10 points for that too. And so you'll give yourself a total out of 30, okay? Now, I'm just going to show you the document that you'll be working on, and it is over here. Just give me a second while I get to it. This will be your document here, okay? So when you have a look, you can see that it says, let's write, and it's talking about Yellow Belly, so you write from his point of view. This is a success criteria that you've just looked at. But again, underneath it, I want you to pay attention that you put in your participle phrase in that section of the document for me, okay? The other thing I want you to notice is that we've put it in Google Classroom. So here it is. If I go to the Yellow Belly task, there it is. So you need to write that paragraph, do that self-evaluation. Once you've done that, I will validate whether your marking is accurate, and I'll give you some feedback on it. Okay? Good luck, everyone, and keep up the good work.